The Greenworks 40V 21-inch cordless brushless push mower is a versatile and efficient tool for lawn maintenance, showcasing a dual-port design and 21-inch deck, which makes managing large lawns a breeze. The mower offers a 3-in-1 function, allowing you to choose between bagging, mulching, or discharging clippings according to your needs. This model features a 7-position height adjustment for a precise cut every time, and a push handle for easy maneuverability. The mower utilizes an efficient 40-volt lithium battery system, and the innovative Smart Cut technology automatically increases the speed of the blade when more power is needed. The product comes with a reassuring 3-year warranty. However, the battery and charger need to be purchased separately. Despite this, the mower is still a cost-effective choice at $349.42, and with a review score of 4.0 based on 164 reviews, it is a reliable choice for your lawn care needs.